The costs of digital currencies are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful, criminal operations, and market interest. This multitude of variables make directing a specialist examination of cryptographic money significant in the present market. Brise is another task in the cryptographic money world that has acquired fame due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the forward leap of the year. We'll cover the bitgert undertaking's subtleties, track down the responses to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost forecasts. What is bitgert Brise? This year, bitgert is among the most astonishing digital money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the venture's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority agreement framework, is 15 seconds. TOA blockchains are believed to be truly versatile. However, it doesn't decrease analysis over them for being exceptionally unified. The bitgert network was showcased as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange charges. Yet it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing debates in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous DApp discharges on bitgert convention, from non-fungible token commercial centers to decentralized finance conventions. The bitgert biological system truly extended in the main year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries concerning the bitgert project. For example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes promoting. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. Due to the absence of great first individual data, the venture is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and tales. This is the main photograph of the venture group that was distributed authoritatively. Its appearance led to an enormous number of bits of gossip. The crypto local area focused on the dubious likeness of this picture with the consequences of man-made intelligence-based photograph generators. That large number of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to safeguard privacy. The problematic promoting techniques utilized by the task group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of recordings about bitgert, referencing the task just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful undertaking on a standard with currently fruitful, and demonstrated cryptographic forms of money like ADA, spell, and so forth. Is Brise a wise venture? Does bitgert have a future? A few experts are positive about the progress of the Brise token. Truth be told, some of them even foresee bitgert's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. However, once more, we should bear in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the scientific report and the undertaking's makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the tricky regions that we have previously referenced. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these variables prior to choosing whether to put resources into the Brise stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that Brise will be a fruitful interest over the long haul. Be that as it may, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a chance to benefit on the off chance that the organization can make something happen from now on. What number of bitgert coins are there? The venture's self-detailed coursing supply is 427,350. 68 BBRISE. What is bitgert crypto? Brise is a 20 Cruzado symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for the Binance blockchain. Where is bitgert recorded? You can track down Brise on MEXC, KuCoin, XTCOM, Gate.io, and Bitmart. In August 2022, the venture's administration freely communicated its eagerness and preparation to help out Binance by means of Twitter. The exchange's cycle has proactively begun. And to commend this key achievement, bitgert has vowed to offer $5 million worth of Brise to the Binance People Group in the event of having it recorded on Binance. Bitgert value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of bitgert is $0, and Brise is as of now position no. 220 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of bitgert is 395,688,215,721,653 Brise, with a market cap of $185,251,185.78. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Bitgert is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Brise has fallen by practically 8.5% over the most recent 7 days. with worries about the related dangers strengthening in the beyond couple of days. We don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could areas of strength for half. Inside the last month, the cost of Brise has diminished by 13.12%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing, a valuable open door for speedy venture. Bitgert Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of bitgert will be $0. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Brise value estimate for October 2022. In view of the value variances of bitgert toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 October 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. November 2022, bitgert value figure. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Brise cost in November 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the most extreme could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of bitgert may be around $0. Brise value conjecture for December 2022. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of bitgert in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Brise rate they anticipate may be around $0 December 2022. It can drop to $0 a base. The greatest worth may be $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of bitgert in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of bitgert will be around $0. The greatest expected Brise cost might be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Bitgert Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of bitgert, in 2024, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of bitgert and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Brise cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Brise costs are normal in 2026, $0. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the variances of bitgert. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Brise cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0. However, it actually could reach $0 through 2027. Bitgert Value Expectation